All right, so I have a Corgi Master J here in my home garage. And the protectors on the end of the tool that guard against scratching on the wheel are worn out. I've replaced this one. You can see how wide it is compared to that. So I went on eBay and I found them pack of 10 for like 40 bucks. Kind of pricey, but whatever, protects the wheel. So I'm going to show you how to change these out. All you're going to need is like a hammer, a pick, and that should get it done. So okay, now we got a little hole there. That should make this easier. So you can see that just comes out. And just clean this up. It's all hardened, so nothing I'm doing to this thing's gonna hurt it. And take the new one. I'm gonna get a yellow one. Yeah. Set that in like that. There you go. It's in. So I'll show you the old one compared. So you can see it's totally worn out. And here is on top. So this whole outside area wore off, broke off, but now we got all this protection again. So it doesn't stick out much. It only sticks out maybe 50 or 75 thousandths, out from the edge of the tool. You can see it's not much, but it's enough. Anyway, I hope that was helpful. I didn't see anything on the old YouTube to show how to do it. So there you have it. Happy, and hopefully that helps you get your job done. All right, later.